making an adorable, curly Valentine's Day Deco Mesh wreath. What you will need, I have this adorable unicorn for the center, a wreath ring, I have purple, white, pink, and lavender Deco Mesh. I have some ribbon options here, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut my purple, lavender, white, and pink Deco Mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And you can cut your stems into thirds or fourths, whatever you prefer. Now I'm going to go ahead and get all of my bundles made before I start placing them on my wreath. For this specific wreath, I'm going to use curls instead of diagonals. I have used both. I will link videos in the description box down below of me using both methods. And you can just go with whichever method works best for you. So I'm going to roll it to a cute little curl. Purple, the white, and I'm crisscrossing them so that they're not one on top of the other. I like for all of the colors to be visible. I have my lavender, and then I also have my pink. Just like that. I'm going to scrunch it in the center, take my stem, and twist it around my bundle. Just like that. And I can adjust and maneuver it if I need to do so. So some with just the lavender, white, and purple. Just to kind of mix it up a little bit. Just like that. Scrunch. Place the stem. And twist it a couple of times. Just like that. And also with these bundles, I'm going to alternate the color order as well. So I'm going to have some bundles of 3 and some bundles of 4. The amount of mesh you need just depends on how many bundles you want and how poofy you would like for your wreath to be. But I always say have extra mesh on hand just in case. So I'm going to get more bundles made and we'll start placing it on our wreath ring. So I have my bundles and I'm going to start placing it on the wreath ring. There are several ways you can place the bundles. When I'm using the smaller wreath ring, I kind of just alternate outer, inner. Since this one is the 18-inch wreath ring, there are only 3 rings on this one. So I actually start placing a bundle on each individual ring just because it's so far apart. I mean, you could use half of a stem for each of these bundles and then place it on 2. So that is an option, whatever you prefer. I've done both ways and they both look so cute and adorable. Alright, so I'm going to take my first bundle, place it on the outermost ring, twist, 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 and then tuck it away. Take my next bundle, and I have some bundles with the purple, white, pink, some with the purple, white, lavender, some with the lavender, purple, white, and pink. So I just kind of alternated all of my bundles. Next one is going to go on the center ring, and they will move. Once we get more bundles in place, it will stabilize the mesh a little more. And twist, twist, twist. I'll also be able to adjust and maneuver it a little bit more once more bundles are in place. But this is what 3 bundles in a section looks like. I'm going to go with 4 bundles in each section. You can go with more or less. Again, it's completely up to you. Alright, and I'm just going to continue doing this all the way around my wreath. You can also place all bundles in the center ring if you choose to do so. There are so many ways you can make a wreath. It's just whatever you prefer. That's what I like about it. You can kind of go with the method that works best for you. You can also add ribbon to your bundles if you choose to do so. I've done that before and it's so cute and precious. Alright, so I have all of my bundles in place. It looks so cute and precious already. You can definitely add more or less. You can add ribbon, any other embellishments that you prefer. I'm going to add this adorable little unicorn to the center. I'm going to take 2 stems, twist them together to form one long stem for the top and one for the bottom. And then I'm just going to hot glue them in. Alright, so I'm just going to add this unicorn to my center. I'm going to take my stem, push the mesh aside, and just twist the stem around the actual wreath ring, just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then replace the mesh. I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. Alright, so it looks so cute and precious. I'm just adjusting the mesh around my sign. And I think it looks adorable just like this. You can definitely add any additional embellishments you'd like. You can add ribbon, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the styles to fit your theme.